Hi Stephen, this is Mark Stanton sending a video to you from Joseph Subaru. You'd written to us about this 2024 Chevy Trax. I took it in trade a couple of weeks back against a brand new 24 Outback. So 2,458 original miles on the car, and it's super clean. It's really, we sell demos all the time with more miles. So this car, if you're interested, is still available. And all it takes is a phone call. I can lock it down for you, put a hold on it, and sit on it until you can make it out, if you'd like to do that. But mainly, just wanted to get this video to you to say thanks for your interest and show you proof that the vehicle is available. Because I don't know about you, but I hate driving any distance just to get somewhere and find out what I was headed for is not there. So that's the car, low miles. And again, my name is Mark, Joseph Subaru. My number is 859-444-8682. Just call anytime and I can lock this down for you if you'd like. Thanks again.